Now found how fast these cars go around our track, and that, of course, means handing them over to our tame racing driver. Some say that he spent all week daydreaming about what Rubens Barrichello would look like in a hand slicer. And that he's terrified the BBC will reveal his salary because he's paid in strong pornography. All we know is he's called the Stig. And they're off, Stig fueled by his fanatical hatred of Rubens Barrichello. Powering down toward the first corner. Here they are, and the Audi looks like it's getting a bit out of shape already. Yes, it is. Oh dear. Stig seems to have developed an obsession with the Bee Gees. Perhaps it's because they share a love of the white suit. Around Chicago, both dipping a wheel off the track. Now hammerhead, Stig stamping on the brakes, imagining it's the head of a Williams driver. Not Nico Hulkenberg, obviously. 911s can understeer, but no sign of it there at all. The Audi's in good shape too. I should say the Stig also dislikes convertible supercars because he always tries to keep his helmet out of the flies. Or whatever. I've just realised if these two go faster than their hardtop equivalents, I'm going to look like a massive idiot. They've just got Gambon to do now, both round, and there we are across the line.
Come on, then. No pressure.
Here we go. Hang on. No pressure. The Porsche 911 Turbo Convertible did it in 1:22.2 seconds, which is there.
Well, hang on, where's the hardtop?
We've never tested the hardtop.
Which is lucky for you,
Yes.
because if this was fast... And we have done a hardtop Audi R8, though it's here.
Yes.
If this is faster than that, you are going to look, well, by your own admission,